battle for Kolkata and for West Bengal as Mamata Banerjee takes out a Padyatra in Kolkata. Now, Kolkata is a very important battleground for the Trinamool Congress. They swept this entire region in the last elections and they hope to be able to repeat that this time. Which is why, even though the elections to Kolkata are a while away, Mamata Banerjee has taken to the streets in a wheelchair. Jaya Bachchan is next to her, as are others. And this is an indication of how the Trinamool is not taking anything for granted. But the BJP has made big inroads into Kolkata. And that's why Mamata Banerjee is here, personally, going through this part of North Kolkata, even though Kolkata has several days left to vote. And she's in her characteristic wheelchair. That's the iconic image of this election, that she's moving down this street in. And you can see there are supporters on all sides. And the big question is whether this will be enough, Mamata power will be enough to try to help retain the BJP in check and ensure that the Trinamool manages to keep its hold on Kolkata and on West Bengal. So we are here with Sudip Bandyopadhyay, senior leader of the Trinamool, as Mamata Banerjee takes out a roadshow. Sudipda, how important is this roadshow Kolkata, particularly BJP is now trying to make a big push into Kolkata. Kolkata is your bastion.
Kolkata BJP will not succeed.
Not succeed?
Not at all.
Okay.
Because so far my 7 seats in my North Kolkata Lok Sabha is concerned,
Yes.
I am sure that we are going to win all the 7 seats.
That's right, you're the MP from here. But the fact that the BJP is making a big push in Kolkata, holding a lot of sabhas, Amit Shah has also come here, is that a concern?
I think that will produce more results.
That will produce no results. But overall, how are you feeling now with this election almost in the last stages? Are you still confident Khela hobe or are you a bit nervous?
We are concerned with the COVID also. We are concerned about the COVID also.
COVID also, yes.
This 8th election for Bengal was not a positive decision.
Yes.
So we are hearing that other 3 phases may be merged together.
Right. Would you prefer that?
We do not oppose that at least.
You don't oppose that at least? Because it's very worrying to have crowds and, virus.
So 24 hours notice rally is enough indication. Travel will pass only 5 kilometers road, you will find both sides of the outburst of the masses from the city of Kolkata.
But at the end of the day, how much is this election dependent on Mamata Banerjee's personal charisma? Because on the ground one hears of a lot of public anger against Trinamool representatives. So is it very critical that Mamata Banerjee carries this entire election?
BJP couldn't play in the right direction. BJP couldn't play in the right direction.
Right.
Their machinery was mismanaged.
Machinery mismanaged.
And the issues they targeted, that doesn't appear to be proper.
Jaya ji, Srinivasan from NDTV, how are you? Jaya Bachchan ji is here with us. Jaya ji, you're here campaigning with Mamata ji. Tell us. Yes. Tell us what made you join her. How are you seeing this election?
Well, what made me join was 2 things. It was the orders from my party head, Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Samajwadi Party supports her completely, wholeheartedly. And I believe in what she is fighting for. The forces that she is against, a single woman fighting alone. And I think that one needed to show the others that if they do not help her or support her, she doesn't need help, she needs support. If they don't support her, not only there is going to be communal division, there is going to be division between Bengalis and non-Bengalis, there is going to be division then after that between the Bengalis in Jat, Path and everything. And I'm against all this. I have not been brought up to believe in these kind of divisions. And I am all for democratic right, and my religion is my personal business.
Right. Also, Jayji, you have a special Bengal connection, so that's also significant, I guess.
Bengal connection in the sense, my biggest connection is that she's a leader who's fighting, who's struggling for a cause. And her cause is right, I believe in that. And secondly, yes, of course, it's good because I'm a Bengali.
Yes.
I was not born here, but I'm a Bengali by birth. My forefathers came from Bengal. Of course, that helps. I can speak the language, I can read the language, I can write the language.
Do you sense, last question, do you sense that she's got a fighting chance, she can win this because the BJP is going all out?
Well, you know, you can intimidate people, you can create fear psychosis, but ultimately the people of Bengal have the mind and the brains in the right place.
Okay.
And they will fight against this.
Thank you so much, Jayji, for talking to us. Thanks very much indeed. So, Jaya Bachchan there, Samajwadi Party. She's been sent here, as she says, by Akhilesh Yadav to provide solidarity to Mamta Banerjee. Remember, Mamta Banerjee actually wrote a letter to all opposition leaders asking them to unite against the BJP. So we are here at Mamta Banerjee's roadshow with her supporters. They've all gathered outside the statue of Gandhi and Bose. दीदी थोड़ा हिंदी अगर हो सके या बांग्ला में, क्या ममता बनर्जी अभी रोड शो निकाल रहा है, कैसा अभी होगा इलेक्शन में? बीजेपी भी बहुत ताकत लगा दिया है, आप लोग थोड़ा नर्वस हैं?
नहीं, हम लोग नर्वस नहीं है और सबसे बड़ा बात है दीदी के साथ हम लोग सबको ही है और इस बार चुनाव में हम लोग ही जीतेंगे और ये हम लोगों का जो है सबसे बड़ा जो है चुनाव का जो है मैदान में हम लोग उतर गए हैं और दीदी के साथ हम लोग हैं और इस बार हम लोग जो है तृणमूल कांग्रेस को ही जिताएंगे और हम लोग ही आएंगे।
आप सब तृणमूल तो जो खेला होबे ये बोल रहे हैं, खेला होबे बट जो बीजेपी बोल रहा है कि तृणमूल का लोग कट मनी लेता है, पैसा लेता है, उससे लोग बहुत परेशान हैं।
আজ পর্যন্ত এই যে বিজেপি অনেক বাড়িতে আমার দিদি তো ডিএ এখনো 3টে বাকি দেয়নি, সেন্ট্রালে ডিএ দিচ্ছে না, অনেক কিছু। এই যে করোনার টাইমে আমরা যে সারা বছর লকডাউনে না খেয়ে মরছি, আমাদের দিদি আমাদের দেখেছে, দেখেনি কিন্তু মোদি সরকার। উপরন্তু গ্যাসের দাম বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, জিনিসপত্রের দাম বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে।
ये कट मनी जो लेता है
ये मोदी जी का अफवाह है। हम लोग जितना जानते हैं मोदी जी का अफवाह है। वो बंगाल को जो है कब्जा करना चाहते हैं। ये कैप्चर करना इतना आसान नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग जो है हम लोग दीदी के साथ है और हमेशा दीदी के साथ रहेंगे, हमेशा।
लेकिन एक चीज
जनता जो दीदी के साथ है।
एक चीज आपसे पूछना था, अभी कोरोना का टाइम है, उस टाइम में भी चुनाव हो रहा है, तो आपको उससे थोड़ा डर, खतरा है, रिस्क है, इतना लोग इकट्ठा करना है?
नहीं, ये खतरा तो जरूर है लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं। हम लोग जो है हम लोग जो ऊपर वाला जो नेतृत्व देते हैं वो नेता भी हम लोग बोल दिए कि थोड़ा सा जो है डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करो, लेकिन दीदी का जो है दीदी को देखने के लिए वो सब
यहाँ कोई मेंटेन डिस्टेंस नहीं कर रहे हैं, सब साथ है। एक सेकंड, ये भगवान है नहीं, आप बोल रहे हो कि दीदी के लिए आप रिस्क में मर जाएंगे? बट ये तो बहुत डेंजरस है। अच्छा, लेकिन वायरस का डर नहीं है? वायरस क्या है?
वायरस तो मोदी लेके आया है, वायरस तो यहाँ पे मोदी लेके आया है, ट्रम्प को बैठा कर लेके आया मोदी।
वायरस जो है अमित शाह, अगर उनको बंगाल से हटाइए दिल्ली में तो
ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच, ऑल द बेस्ट। ओके, ऑलराइट, सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग voices from the Trinamool supporters here, and they're saying they're not particularly bothered about the virus. They're saying it's the BJP which is the virus. They're willing to give up their lives for Mamta Banerjee, but this is a worry that is a genuine risk to have elections and gatherings like this in the middle of a pandemic.
For all the TMC bravado, the Kolkata region may not be a cakewalk. The BJP's big guns, Amit Shah, JP Nadda, seen here holding town halls in upscale urban neighborhoods like Newtown and Dum Dum to target the Bengali Bhadralok voter.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sutre Baziachi Shamutroti Mon, Ergo Panti Shupiachi Shamutroti.
Okay, so the battle for Kolkata heating up. We are with the BJP's candidate, Lieutenant General Subrat Saha in South Kolkata. This is the Rash Bihari seat. It's a prestigious seat. It's a seat which the Trinamool won last time. And the BJP has fielded this army veteran here. He's been Deputy Chief Army Staff. He's been an army strategist. And now he's fighting a new battle. So, General, is this a challenge because, you know, Trinamool, Kolkata is considered the Trinamool's bastion?
It's hardly a battle. I say it's hardly a battle because I don't have any enemies around.
Right.
They're all my friends, they're my people, they're my relations. It's not a battle.
Okay.
It's a competition. Me as a candidate with my experience
Right.
and my party behind me.
Okay.
And my competitors with their experience, their background.
But the fact that the TMC has such a strong hold in Kolkata, the BJP is still a kind of novice here. Is that a problem?
I think it's a problem for them.
Acha.
We are standing just next to the Hadi Ganga. Go and see the plight of the Hadi Ganga. The
This
most
is a traditional
the most
camera can
traditional
pan and
river,
show. Right.
the most traditional river
Okay.
with which our culture is associated.
And-
Go and see the muck, go and see the garbage, the water hardly flows.
Right.
Mind you, it is in this tributary as children, we would sit in boats from the Princep Ghat and come to Kali Ghat. Look
Okay.
at the condition. So this is the doing of these people and this will be their undoing.
So what are you, yes,
Look at him, look at him.
look,
Look at him. He will
Come.
tell you what they feel.
okay, the camera can pan. Anyway, so what exactly, General, is your sort of pitch then? What are you saying?
First and foremost,
Yes.
I have to pick these people out of that, sense of terror that they have been subjected to. They have been subjected to such, oppression that people are afraid to speak their minds.
Right.
Old ladies.
Even here, even in Kolkata.
Yes, old parents living all alone. Why? Because there is no education for the children, even for basic BA, BSc, BCom.
Right.
The children have to go out. Children are going out for employment. Parents are all alone.
Right.
Even if they have to paint their houses, they are paying cut money. Even if they have to get a death certificate, they have to pay money. That is the damn state of affairs.
Even here in Kolkata.
Yes, sir. That is the state of affairs.
But do you
So
have-
First and foremost,
Yeah.
answer to your question is to bring about that sense of security which an average citizen deserves in a good democracy like ours.
But
Which a citizen is getting in any other part of the country. And then there are a host of issues. You said this is Calcutta?
Yeah.
Look at the plight of the Basti. There are children dying every monsoon out of malaria and dengue. And this is what they have done for 10 long years.
But
this
General-
is what they did in 34 long years. What development? Is
You-
this a city? You call this a city? You look at the tiled roofs.
Right.
Look at the leaking roofs.
Right.
Look at that building. You call this a city? I'm amazed.
one important thing though for winning an election is that you need enough ground support. The question mark is whether the BJP has the kind of ground support, your soldiers, you served in the army, as the Trinamool. Trinamool is supposed to have a very strong organization. Do you have enough soldiers? All these are all BJP cadre?
Having gone in and out of houses, I'm not in a door-to-door campaign.
Okay.
I'm in a person-to-person campaign.
Okay.
And let me tell you, people are with us. They are with us on two counts. A, they are frustrated and tired of the state of affairs.
Okay.
Look at that building.
Okay,
You
camera
call
can-
this a city building?
Right.
Okay. A, this is the plight of the building. B, there is shortage of water. C, the electricity is so high. So therefore, people are really looking for a change. Second thing is,
But in terms
that
of
they
your
have-
booth
they
workers,
have
cadre,
huge respect For me as an individual,
Right.
having come here after 40 years of service in the armed forces,
Right.
they see their own child having come back. So I am very confident that whatever apprehensions that you're talking about is not there with us.
So these people are all your, they are all part of the
Why
BJP
there?
cadre here?
Come and meet people here, they will tell you.
Okay, okay.
Come, come, come.
But let me just ask some of these supporters here. ये आप सब बीजेपी के साथ हैं?
Yeah, definitely.
You are all there with the BJP?
We don't have other options. We
Acha.
don't have other options. We have to cast for the next generation. We
But,
have to cast for our next generation.
what is
We
your
have to-
name?
My name is Kaushik Chaudhary. I am retired from Indian Army and I have served under.
Achha, you also retired from Indian Army.
Yeah.
And all these people, these are all part of the BJP workers here, and these are your
These
main
are the voice
cadre.
of. These are the voice of common citizen of West Bengal who are deprived at all, who
Okay.
haven't got their fundamental rights. They are deprived from voting. That's why.
आप सब बीजेपी के साथ हैं? कब से बीजेपी में आप यहाँ सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं बीजेपी को? कितना टाइम हो गया? 4 साल से. You are also with BJP?
See, the point is there are many people with BJP. I am with the intellectual cell of BJP.
Okay, your good name?
Dr. Shantanu Mukherjee.
Okay.
But the most important thing is that it is not just the BJP. There are BJP people on ground from every ward. They are coming.
Okay.
But apart from that, when we have gone with General Saha
Yeah.
on the ground, meeting people door to door,
Right.
they have joined. And
Okay.
this inspiration is amazing.
Okay.
I cannot explain how this inspiration is.
Okay.
Because people, when they join, he is going and talking to them personally.
Right.
And they're joining.
Okay.
They're
So,
joining him.
okay. So people are joining.
84 থেকে বিজেপিকে সমর্থন করি তখনই বুঝেছি
আচ্ছা।
বিজেপি সারা ভারতবর্ষে কোনো দল নেই
Okay.
নীতি আদর্শ তাই আমি 36 দিন
अच्छा ठीक है.
সাথে আছি
Okay. थोड़ा बंगाली आप बोल रहे हैं, but ठीक है. There are enough people that they claim. हाँ, चल रहे हैं. So there are enough people the BJP is claiming, even in this bastion of the Trinamool in Kolkata, they claim they have the numbers. How will it play out? We'll have to wait and see. So we are just talking to some people in this area through which the BJP candidate General Saha contested. Let's ask them. दादा थोड़ा बता सकते हैं यहाँ चुनाव में, आप बांग्ला में भी बोल सकते हैं, क्या लग रहा है चुनाव में कौन जीतेगा?
क्या बोलेगा
चुनाव के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
हमको पता नहीं है बाबू, हम खुद गन्ना बेचता है।
हम खुद गन्ना बेचते हैं, आपको पता नहीं, आप बोल रहे हैं।
এখানে এখনো কিছু বলা যাচ্ছে না কি হবে না হবে কি করে বলি মানুষ কি চাইছে এখন মানুষের কাছে
दादा चुनाव में क्या लग रहा है? इलेक्शन तृणमूल बीजेपी कौन आएगा?
2 तारीख के बाद मालूम पड़ेगा
पर आपने क्या सोचा है, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं?
अभी बोलना मुश्किल है
अच्छा,
अभी बोलना मुश्किल है
कोई बात मुश्किल है, अभी कोई पता नहीं है कि कौन जीतेगा कौन हारेगा।
आप किसको डालेंगे?
हम तो यहाँ वोट नहीं, हम तो बिहार का हैं।
हम बिहार से हैं, आपने वोट नहीं है। अच्छा
খেলা হবে তৃণমূল আমরা দিদিকেই চাই
अच्छा तृणमूल दीदी
হ্যাঁ আমাদের এখানে আমাদের আর কেউ চাই না দিদিকে চাই না
আমরা মোদিকে চাই না, আমরা দিদিকে চাই। অনেক পেয়েছি, অনেক উপকারে আসে দিদি আমাদের। আমরা চাই আমাদের এখানে দিদি যখন যা দরকার পড়ে আমরা সব কিছু সাহায্য পাই।
अच्छा
মুদিকে আমরা চিনি না, কোথা থেকে এসেছে
মোদি ফদি হটাও খেলা হবে এখানে
এখানে খেলা হবে, খেলা হচ্ছে হবে
खेलो হবে।
হিন্দিতে বলবো না বাংলায় বলবো বলুন
हिंदी में बोलिए।
हाँ इधर में दीदी सब
दीदी
मोदी का कोई है नहीं मोदी इधर में
नहीं
कोई
नहीं आएगा।
আমরা
नहीं
মোদি
आएगा।
চিনি না
मोदी चिनी ना, डोंट लाइक मोदी। ओके
दीदी हमारा माँ है
दीदी आपका माँ है?
हाँ
ओके
उसके लिए हम जान दे देंगे
ओके
दीदी के लिए हम जान दे देंगे हम लोग
अच्छा इतना है।
इतना है डाई हार्ट फैन है
वाह, आपका नाम?
किरीटी मंडल
ओके
हाँ हम
क्या?
लोग का मंदिर है, हम लोग एक पुराना बासिंदा है इधर में
अच्छा मंदिर है आपका इधर?
हाँ
ओके।
छोटा रासबड़ी बड़ा रासबड़ी पूरा मंदिर है इधर में।
Let's talk to some more people here in Rajbihari. They're sitting. नमस्कार दादा, थोड़ा मीडिया से आए थे थोड़ा चुनाव के बारे में क्या लग रहा है? बांग्ला में बोलिए।
किसे? अरे दीदी থাকবে।
दीदी থাকবে मतलब दीदी जीत रहा है। दीदी रेखा परिवर्तन होगा। दीदी नहीं दीदी
পরিবর্তন মানে কি হলো বোকা কথা? পরিবর্তন মানে অন্য লোক আসছে আর এখন থাকা মানে দিদি থাকছে, পরিবর্তন না মানে দিদি থাকছে।
अच्छा दीदी থাকবে। आप भी दीदी परिवर्तन या दीदी?
পরিবর্তন।
दीदी नहीं आएगा।
नहीं आएगा।
कौन आएगा?
बीजेपी आएगा।
बीजेपी आएगा। अच्छा ये तो बोल रहे हैं दीदी आएगा।
हम बोल रहे हैं बीजेपी आएगा। हमारे बोलेगा तो
क्या बीजेपी क्यों आएगा? क्या गलत किया है?
टीएमसी का काम अच्छा नहीं किया। टीएमसी काज भालो ना।
टीएमसी का भालो ना काम अच्छा नहीं किया है यहाँ पे। दादा आप कुछ बोलेंगे? चुनाव में दीदी आएगा या बीजेपी आएगा?
বিজেপিও আসবে কেন, তৃণমূলও আসবে কেন, এদের কি কাজ? এদের যে বিজেপি সেই তৃণমূল, এরা মানুষের জন্য কোনো কাজ করে, নিজেদের জন্য কাজ করে। আমাদের মনে হয় সমস্ত মানুষকে আমাদের এদের বিরুদ্ধে রুখে দাঁড়ানো উচিত। বিজেপির বিরুদ্ধে যেমন রুখে দাঁড়ানো উচিত, রাজ্যে যে তৃণমূল সরকার তার বিরুদ্ধে আমাদের রুখে দাঁড়ানো উচিত। দুজনই সমান, কেউ কারোর থেকে কম না। এ হলে ও এ প্লাস এ।
Okay, both are the same. So an interesting cross section of voices here that me and camera person Shankar have found, that you have some saying that they're going to support the Trinamool, a few voices in support of the BJP as well, but a lot of people sounding indecisive. They're saying we don't know what will happen, or they don't want to reveal their voting preferences, which also indicates that the outcome might be more complex than one would imagine.